Get the lemon. It's good camera shy. Good way to tire her out. Give her a bit of lemon.
You put that on YouTube.
Yeah.
Go, go, go! Get your pocket, go! Pretty good! Eat it!
Put it better in the bottle.
Place it! You're gonna place it, Mark.
Any then.
Yeah, it's recorded.
They're clean. No, they're dirty. Oh. Those plates are clean, the rest are clean.
Go in.